some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope. Took me some time, I got hope.
Every time, larger than did it again, Scola.
I just keep on doing this shit.
Hey,
Elijah.
I'm a young baller. Every day we stay shining. Rolly presidential, perfect timing. Every nigga that's around me really grinding. You know I ain't lying. That's why we shining.
Yeah.
That's why we shining. That's why we shining. That's why we shining. That's why we shining. Rockin' diamonds, 17 on Balmains, I ain't lying. 500 on the fitted, I ain't bluffing. Back and forth up New York, nigga, like it ain't nothing. Why we ask these stunts, and we get that money. Hit the strip club, make it rain on a Monday. Buy lean by the 16 like I'm a junkie. They ain't check me when they let me in this army.
Nigga, superstar in this town, nigga. They know I'm the only hope, man. Shining. Why we had shit? Long live my niggas, man.
I'm a young baller. Every day we stay shining. Rolly presidential, perfect time.
Young Chop on the beat.
Yeah, the vibe's so crazy right now. I'm off the land, I got superpowers. Diving that pussy like scuba divers. Hop out all black like a Uber driver. Roll the whole trap like who's supply. IG Jim carry you like. I'm in the hole like the old science. I got right now and I can't retire. Yeah. This is the shit that they ride to. This what you drink and get high to. This is the shit that these niggas don't get. They ride, I'ma ride too. When I get dressed, I got superpowers. What's in my cup, give me superpowers. Niggas tuck tails and they super side. I'm in my zone, I got superpowers. Superpowers. I swear I could take over the world. Superpowers. I got superpowers. I got superpowers. I swear I can take over the world.